government we've made will begin to bear fruit. When we see people like Waiboshi winning accolades abroad, we hope this will not just be an issue of motivating other young people, but will also attract investment and say that there is talent in Kenya and what they need is investment. And with that investment, we can create that stability, we can create that future. I do hope that this $1 million that you have here, you will continue to plow back. You will pull another 20, 30 youth who are currently hopeless or helpless and give them hope for a brighter future, who in turn can encourage and motivate another 20 or 30. That's where we need to go. And it looks like this sector is what's going to get us there. So mine is to say, I'm truly proud to be here. I'm truly proud to be celebrating a young and brilliant Kenyan. And to say that Demo has now taken me to 2 functions in less than a week. Last weekend we were celebrating another group of young people, motivated, who are out there producing movies and films and TV programs and documentaries. And I told him when we were there, I'm looking at the crowd, I used to think I was still young. But I can assure you, myself, Bitange, Pogisho, were in the top 20 in terms of age, because the average age was 18, 20. And you're hearing people say, well, you know, I turned over 10 million or 20 million, I turned over 100 million, and you're looking at this fellow and you say, are you in school or I'm running my own business? What are you talking about? And it gives you pride. It just shows, give opportunity, and Kenyans can do it. God bless you. Congratulations, Waiboshi. Thank you.
Thank you. I'm not expecting you to do this. We were subcontracted by a company called Next Technologies. That was actually the company that was putting together the whole technology behind the referendum. And what they asked us to do was to build an application that we could put onto 30,000 mobile phones that would be put in every polling station. So what we did is we developed an application that went into every polling station, such that immediately the results were announced. Those results went to the commission, they went to observers, and they went to the media, such that what it did is reduce the ability for there to be fraud at the polling station level. So that was our 2 cents for the referendum.
Ladies and gentlemen, that application was sitting on a Nokia 1680, and across the country we were able to get the right results in good time. So an applause to John, and we're really grateful that you're able to develop it so that it runs on a Nokia device. Thank you. And now to Virtual City and the team at Virtual City, and to Kenya, congratulations. Let's toast. Cheers.